my channel. My name is Jen and I hope you're having a great day. Plan for today, I'm very excited because I'm hosting my very first garden party. Woohoo! So this video I'm going to be going through how you make your own garden party and basically how I'm going to set it up and what I'm preparing and what it's going to look like, and we're just going to have fun, okay? The weather is nice. It's not gorgeous, but it is nice and we're just going to have a good day, okay? It's going to be a good day. Let's start with some decorations I have. Now, my room, my beauty room is a bit of a mess at the moment. Okay, so this is a tablecloth that I'm going to put on. Summer vibes. Then we have yellow napkins. I got Mr. Price for only $1.49. Then I got these cute little hanging. They're watermelons. Oh, so there's 3 of them there. Now, then we have these watermelon cocktail sticks. And then this little bunting thing with all the different yeah, that's my foot. All the different watermelons. So that is some of the decorations. So that is one part of it. The second part, I'm also going to use my little cart over here as a drinks cart. Must empty that out. If you're wondering where I got the idea for this, so I have this book from Zoella. It's her Cordially Invited one, and oh my god, it's the best thing ever. I love this book. So basically it's all about seasonal guide to hosting any occasion and making memory out every day. So I saw this ages ago and I really wanted to do it. This garden party. Now, let's be realistic. I'm not going to be able to create that. Like this tent, it's not going to happen. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have that little crate over there, if you could see that. I'm going to try that. Some decorations, some nice things. It's going to be my version of a garden party. Okay? So I've tried my best. And we're going to see how it goes. So this book basically goes into all detail of different things. Absolutely love it. So extra. Let's create a garden party, okay? So you saw my decorations, my cart. It's going to be my drinks cart. Let's go into the kitchen. I'm going to show you what I have already. And this is like stuff, so like food and drinks. We can then go into my room and I can show you what my plan is, because I think we're going to do it out the front because I think it'll look nicer. So I have these so far. I got these more bunting decoration things in Tesco, so they might work. Then I got some crisps, so Palm Bears, so good. Hula hoops. I also got marshmallows because I might bring out a fire, even though I just realized Claire is actually vegetarian, so she won't eat these. Okay, we'll see about that. Then I got micro popcorn. This was actually, it says €2, but it was in the clear out section and I got for 50 cents. 50 frickin' cents. Then I got chocolate mini muffins and I got normal mini muffins. I opened these already because I was hungry. Got some fruit for our drinks. Strawberries and watermelon. Fantastic. Then we're gonna come in here into the fridge. So I got Coke for myself for my vodka. I have Copperberg down the back, and then in here you can see, let's move these, I have normal Gordon, so this is gin and tonic can, and I also got a pink gin and tonic can, and I also picked this up. I only picked up one of these. That looks very interesting. Whether it'll be nice now or not, we'll see. I also have these little drinks in here. Oh god, I can't get it out. Just for a bit of variety, so this is an orange mango sparkling spring. So we'll see how that goes. And I also got a strawberry one as well. And I also have up here, we have cheese, because we're going to have a cheese board. Some form. What's this now? That's cheese too. For the crackers, we are going to have these bad boys, which are just a beauties. So that's all the stuff. Now I'm going to show you where I'm actually going to do it. Let's go. We are currently in my room, and the reason is because I don't want to go outside because I'm a bit cold. So this is the area we're going to do it in. As you can see, there is chair. We're going to bring out 2 more chairs. Over here then we're going to put down kind of a pallet or a crate and then put the table cover over it, and we're going to sit down on the floor with cushions and blankets, and it's going to be super cute. Basically that's my plan of action. So will it work? I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm going to take you along this journey and we're going to go for it because I'm very excited. I think this is going to be so much fun, especially during this quarantine and lockdown. We just need time to just relax, chill, be with our friends. I also haven't seen my friends in so long, so I'm very excited and it's gonna be so much fun. I'm just kind of worried about the whole weather situation because now it's getting a bit windy. I just want the sun to come out and stay out. I know it's gonna be cold later, so I'm gonna have blankets with us as well, just so in case we do get cold, and I think it's gonna be fun. I think it will be fun. I hope it works out. I'm very excited. I've been planning this since Monday. So I think for now I'm gonna make sure I have everything, because there's no point setting up now because it's only 3 o'clock now and the girls aren't coming till 7, so I think I might wait till after dinner to start setting it up. And obviously then I'll have to make a call on the weather, because if I think it's gonna rain or if it might be too cold. Let's do this. Let's make this garden party work. me, but it's a bit windy. This is what we have going on so far. So we have our little table that I'm going to put the tablecloth on, just so it's nice to know we're going to sit on the floor. And then this is actually to protect the wind because it's very windy today and I prefer that we don't get blown out of the place. I hope you can hear me, it's actually pretty windy. And then this, I'm going to put some decorations on over the top of it so it looks cute, and I'm going to have 2 more chairs here. And there's my cute little Cooper. Hi! Hello! How's my boy? This is our update so far. Plan for now, I need to clean out my cart because it's full of stuff, and then I need to fill it up with all my goodies. So let's get into it. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not, because I post videos every Sunday at 7 p.m. and if I don't, I normally let you know on my Instagram, so I'll link that down below as well. And I hope you have a nice Sunday and we'll see you next week. Bye!